is the Raymond greenhouse on McDonald campus. It houses many interesting plants, including these cacti and other succulents. But one of the most interesting ones is the donkey's tail. This plant's long, trailing stems and nice succulent leaves make it ideal to practice propagation on. It is also commonly used in rooftop gardens because it can withstand constant sunlight, needs very little watering, and very little soil. The objectives of my project were to see what effect rooting hormone powder and bottom heat would have on the rooting success of the stem cuttings, and also to see if the length of the stem cutting had any influence on the rooting success. First, you'll want to make your succulent mixture: 1 part turfus, 1 part soil, 1 part sand, and 2 parts general potting mix. Mix the ingredients all together and wet the soil. Line up your trays and mark which treatment will go in each section. Here are my treatments. Number 1 will have bottom heat and stem root. Number 2, just bottom heat. Number 3, just stem root. Number 4 will have neither. Treatment number 5 will have 2 cm long stem cuttings with bottom heat and stem root, while treatment 6 will have 4 cm long cuttings with bottom heat and stem root. Now, when you pick your source plant, you want one that's healthy and doesn't have any visible pests or diseases. This one looks good. Measure your stems first, then cut them at an angle using properly sterilized equipment. Remove the bottommost leaves near the cut, and if your treatment calls for it, dip the cut surface in the stem root powder. This is stem root powder number 1, because this is a herbaceous species. All you have to do now is gently place your stem cuttings into your succulent mix. 10 stems per treatment, and any leaves that were removed can go in as well. Once all your treatments are done, place them in a brightly lit room with a bottom heated table. You can use styrofoam to elevate your treatments that do not need the bottom heat. After this, check for pests and water them daily. After 65 days, they are ready for evaluation. Gently tease the cuttings out of their soil and lay them out flat so you can compare the rooting success of the different treatments. The most successful of the first 4 treatments was treatment number 1, that had both bottom heat and stem root powder applied. The least successful treatment was treatment number 4, or the control treatment, that had no stem root and no bottom heat. Treatments 5 and 6, comparing the length of the stem cuttings, had very similar results to each other. Once you're done evaluating their roots, your cuttings can be potted up and given away. Overall, it seems that the greatest rooting success is for treatments that have both stem root powder and bottom heat, as I was expecting based on my literature review.